freedom.
iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting, iDiskiTimes.co.za. Hello and welcome to the first final of the season. We get the first trophy out of the way. It's the MTN8, as usually the first trophy of the season. There's still also the Carling Cup, there's the Nedbank Cup, and of course Sundowns will win the league for the 7th time in a row, as if we don't know that. Sundowns they're playing Orlando Pirates in Durban tomorrow. A very interesting game of football. Both teams on totally different runs of forms. Orlando Pirates, on the other side, they are on a bumpy ride. Recent results, losing certain games, and then Mamelodi Sundowns have been kicking the ass of everyone, whether it's in the Champions League, in the MTN8, and in the league as well. So, no assumptions here. We don't know what's going to happen in the final, but we know that one team is in a good run of form and another is in a horrible run of form. Junior Khanye, our analyst, Pirates being knocked out of the CAF Champions League, actually, that's another thing that happens. So if they lose the final and they're number 14 in the league, although they have games in hand, it will give some questions to the coach. We will start to look at him one way or the other. Junior Khanye, our analyst, what did you make of the game tomorrow, sir?
Yes,
sir.
Yeah, ngibulise lengwenye justice.
Yes, sir.
Ngibulise Benedict Sofila guys. Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one, try to fix South African football.
Hey, just come here. Yeah. I want people to see like how differently you are wearing from us. Just come here, like literally. You see, he's wearing short sleeves. Just look at that. And I'm in short sleeves. I'm a short, and this guy is no, it's too hot, man. Why? It's 31 thing. What?
Yeah, I use the voice. I flu. I think it changed.
I can hear from the voice.
Yeah, among figure la, and then calling I from my last 2 nyana. Yeah, amarong so tila na yun. Yeah, so tila na yung ngendlela. Yeah,
you joke with you. Where do you buy it? Where can I buy that tea?
So singayi deep of it. No, I don't know. Ngisho ukuthi mina ngizodila naye. Wona umsiyoni msiyangqa. My wife she's the same. True.
Yeah, she is.
Yeah, so iDiskiTV is you. Myself, Machaka, so Mbos wife. Khanye the channel fit. Yeah, bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one, try to fix South African football. Yeah. No span fit irrespective with ang feeling a flu patay. Sponsor always yeah. Yeah, ngulego panic patting Orlando Pirates.
Yeah, I was about to say that. Pressure.
Yeah, panic patting, icon pressive panic patting Orlando Pirates. They are knocked out from a Champions League. But my expectations are very high. Uzwile emaqali season abantu abaningi they thought Orlando Pirates will win the league. Naleyo sekune panic patting. Ngizama ukusho ku coach Jose Rivero. Unfortunately ku South African football now uzoyijwayela. You win 1 trophy, win twice, mhlambe okanye 2 trophy in a season. Well, next season you don't win anything, it's a pressure to you. It's not started very well. Uqale sort of fitting aqalanga kahle ngoba udliwe ku Stellenbosch, if I'm not mistaken, first game 1-0. And then he came wapita iPulukwane City ilo isikhukhune with heavy score. And kwaba kunama game wepa njengayo le isikhukhune upromisile to people. He came, got beaten by Stellenbosch and imdlili Sundowns. Sikhuluma ngamanje ku league first round. And truly speaking, it's not been consistent. Ne team yakhe leyadlala ngayo wenza ama error wrong kakhulu. Pirates have got players, we always say, but you are failed ukuhlanganisa combination. And ukhuluma elinye point mine, so coming to this game based on performance, both teams ngaphandle kwe performance, Sundowns, there's a way of playing football. They're playing ngendlela A1, irrespective if they lose, they don't panic. You score against them, they don't panic. Yabo. Truly speaking, Pirates, we know that bage balwina the trophy, and
the defending champions.
All I'm saying is the defending champions, but Sundowns, these players by Dalile final. Kulmanga, the coach was assisted when they win one of the biggest trophy in the continent, Kulmanga Champions League. Rulan, I'm truly speaking, I don't think we that concern much corner, but obviously final, it's a final. Psychological to players Sundowns planning on with yes, we're playing Orlando Pirates, one of the biggest team in South Africa, but they've been dominating for the past 10 years. So by the Champions League, one of the biggest tournament, especially final by winner. So it corner that nervousness to them, but not like Pirates players. Pirates, they've not been doing well. And ama-player wabo ayibukho consistent nge-lineup. Uzobona ngegame njengale game ye-Sundowns basisurprisile first league le league badlalisa lo mfana lo Baloyi. While we had experienced players on the bench, uzibuza ukuthi ivela from the coach or technical team. But the coach uyazi makadliwa bhekana naye, so ube ne-say naye because bekane right ukuthi no, I don't have to play the player. Ratom has been doing well. He came in one Sundowns, the boy didn't show up whereby bekadlala nabo bani. The team be function nayo Orlando Pirates. The whole team didn't function. Masonga didn't function the same day. A lot of players Azangbeze Nulipasa. So their defense was sluggish as well. So nkumuntu beyangekho right, so why blaming the boys? So ngibona bambeya ngaphandle. Otto is back. So Pirates coach ihlula ukuhlanganisa combination, they've got players. And beza kule game bangekho consistency. They lost ama game that they were vital. Babe lucky namanje ukuthi bay true, especially kule game. Yes, Orlando and dominate from Stellenbosch. You need to be honest. But make dominate should ba create ama chances more than them. So Pirates iza kule game shaking, though I game njengele ayinge performance, but truly speaking uyayibheka Sundowns. How many games they won? They won so many games. iDiskiTV Premiership. Dominate each and every game they are playing. Yes, some game in 8 they've been playing first half, killing the game first half. Most of the time, second half party psychology. Ilagi, but they called bakhona laba bantu uyiqala bayiqede. And kule game ngemzulu Rulani is stated this good. Game ayidlale nePirates. If Pirates le qali game first first half kule game first round akusi Pirates eqale second half first vital, so it means analysis yabo yabo ukuthi vital. So Sundowns, what we know igame yabo nePirates by analyzile lebe badlala nabo, and they've been banama analysts nkuleko. I've been watching mina naku ngithi development structure sabo abantu enkulu abantu engikhuluma nabo ngoba badlala nathi development yethu, so i-professionalism iningibo. And going to the game le pound to pound with players, Ivar, they've got players that they are upper than one national team. I think they've got 5 players there that Hugo Process call, and ikela ngama stats ukuthi bakwe iphi level, and they've been consistent dala bangadliwa labantu. Le final bazoyina kusasa. The score is going to be 3-2. Shalile is going to score, Ripero, Lucas is going to score, Mshishi is going to score, Pirates Masonga is going to score. Lipasa nge-penalty, yes, probably, but Lipasa is going to score. Labantu labo ipale phansi is going to happen exactly.
Okay. How does Orlando Pirates avoid losing this game? You are saying they're going to lose.
Yes.
I think they're going to lose as well. Like, if you were to ask me to put my money prediction, I think that they're going to lose as well. Because I know which team is stronger than the other. And so as well made his own prediction. You can ask 100 people. Those who know what they're talking about, they will tell you which team is stronger than the other. But in the interest of talking about this game, how can Pirates avoid conceding 3 goals? So I think they're going to lose, but how can they avoid that?
The Pirates nama player compared to Sundowns, though nginkinga ne depth nabo. Sundowns, they've got depth even on the stand as well. Could my bench in the stand. Any selection yabo ibheke. Team yabo nkuleko is so strong on the bench. It's so strong le eqalayo on the bench. Pirates 11 eqalayo. And bench labo shaky. Yes, kunama player lapha ebenchini, but the coach doesn't believe in them. Kunabo Kapinga doesn't use them. Umsebenzisa wide Kapinga, and Kapinga since has joined Orlando Pirates, it's not himself. Askaboni ukuthi angenzani. Kim Video, but the coach uyambona Kim Video mlahlela amasekunyiwa kahle. Yabona whereby last 10 minutes uzwenzana Kim Video. I-bench le Sundowns the strong kuleko. So i-Pirates mayibhekane ukuze tomorrow game as usual is not going to happen, but mina if I was the coach, I was not going to play with 2 holding midfield. 2 teams uzodlala kusasa. Team is going to play with Mnare. Last time mangibadlalisa Baloyi, team is going to play 2 holding midfielders against 3 ball players at Sundowns. I can tell Mbulu uzodlala, uzoyiqala umkwena uzoyiqala, and then he's going to play. Those are ball players. Box to box, 3 of them. Akekho holding. Akunamuntu omayo. It's just communication, and bayenze training and the communication omunye makambili omunye ahlala kune shape, that's all. But these 2 Pirates square, I know team Monare phambi kwabo probably is going to be Ndlondlo. Masonga is going to go wide. Ndlondlo start on the bench, Masonga start. But game mina bengizoya njoba ngisho bengizombeka mina uMnare 1. Mnare ngimfake uNdlondlo and also play Masongai. Not White Masongai here. Mfana uRathomo bengizom eliminate mina. Faka uRathomo, hlali half winger, not amakwe line, half winger. We're not gonna use cross use as an in-swinger. Mfana yakwazi ukuya school. He can kick up with feet. Left yakwazi ukubisa cross if it's necessary. The boy create a chance for Lipasa. Ngibukele game yabo neStellenbosch. How many chances they've created for Lipasa? Angikhuluma as a team. No one become total pass isolated. Liyamchita bingana people la lonke beliza li cross uyiwane boxing. And then uKhemiti ngizwile uthi wakhuluma elinye point vital. Udlalisa uKhemiti number 10. Number 10 mela link between defense yakhe ne-attack. uKhemiti akusulo umuntu omalapha deadly kicking. Ukwazi ukuzenzela space, take somebody on. Mawuzothatha somebody mawuthi uKhemiti adlala number 10 aqale imove yakhe la yafinini. Okanye la center. You need to beat up 3 players. Akusu umuntu onada uyakwazi ukumpitha umuntu 1 or 2 nge 1-2. But beating 3 players okanye look at his age now. So coach I think leyenzayo I think yabo so mina bengizodlalisa Masonga Ndlondlo Monare ulomfana uRathomo and then ngapha ngidlalise ngoba badlala in most yes but mina for me bengizodlalisa yena uMonyane ngapha game Monyane and up front yes abana choice mele badlalise uLipasa because they don't have another striker escorayo that much uye so at the back game truly speaking mina nguleko bengizoya mina nga4 ya le ya 3 at the back ayispan ku Pirates ngikhuluma ngegame modlane Sundowns they're gonna be sucked kusasa bazoba surprise angeke kube obvious bazoba liphasa baba surprise when they go balhalele badlala behind them or kula ma pocket it's a problem so 3 at the back I don't think it's a good thing for them angikhuleka ukuconsider bona game truly njoba ngisho bazoconsider 3 goal but game bengizoya ngalo line up yes libise at the back usibisi mina because udlala for me mina unda irrespective udala ngadlali bakwazi ukuthi badlalisa abo balwise experience player international because udlala kimi nayo uxoki at the back you understand including yena mhlambe uMakho that's Orlando Pirates for me ebengicabanga ukuthi Sundowns bebangayishape until uma penalty not goodbye.
All right, there you go. That's Orlando Pirates. These matches have been very close. If you think about Pirates versus Chiefs, Sundowns versus Chiefs, I think they played twice already this season, if not 3 times. Orlando Pirates have already played against Sundowns as well. The matches have been really, really close, so pay attention to that as well. The one that was in Orlando had nothing to do with football, that game. At some point, it was like just attritional intimidation, harassing the referee. It just stopped being about football, so we're not hoping for that tomorrow. Maybe it's one thing that these teams have figured out to go to, like, if you just make it attritional, make it argumentative, make it emotive, then Sundowns will lose their focus emotionally or something like that. We saw that with the Pirates versus Sundowns game, and that's why it ended 1-0 really. So it's all of these games haven't been that open. The Sundowns versus Chiefs matches and the Sundowns versus Orlando Pirates matches as well. So we don't know what we'll see tomorrow. It could even be a close one based on what we've already seen with these big matches, because everyone wants to be on their A game. So you go on WSB and bet on these matches and many more other fixtures as well in the English Premier League, in the Italian Serie A, La Liga. There's the Grand Prix as well in Abu Dhabi. So there's so many things that are happening in the sporting world that you can put your money on. It's wsb.co.za. We are iDiskiTV, Diski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you very much for watching us.